What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll create a cute cartoon illustration of SCP-999. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of our circle, and then bring that back up towards the top. Let's line this up all the way over on the right side and draw that same size circle. Let's add a small highlight along the top left side of each eye. So we draw a small circle going all the way around. And do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add a glare across the bottom of the eye. So we're going to start on the left, go up, and then down. Now we're going to fill the inside of the eye along the top, going around the highlight and that glare. Now I'm going to move in between the eyes and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. From here we're going to curve this down, and then bend that up and in on the left. Go back to the center, come down, bend this up and in on the right. Let's open up the mouth. Starting from the bottom, come in and down. I'm going to close out the bottom of the mouth with a curve. Down the bottom, and then back up. Let's add a fold underneath each eye, down and then up. Let's go to the top of the eye and add a fold. We go up, and then bend that down on the inside. And we'll close off the top of the head, starting from the top of the fold on the left, go up in the middle, and we'll bring that back down. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the head. Let's start from the outside of the eye, curve this out, and bend that in. Let's add a fold along the side, going up, and then bend that back down. And then we'll stretch out the arms, starting back on the left, go out and up, round up the arm, come down and then in. Let's add some drips coming down from the bottom of the arm. Let's start back on the left. Just going to bend this down, round out that drip, and go back up, round up the top, and then come down. Let's add a longer drip on the right side, come all the way down towards the bottom, round this out, and then pull that back up. Now we're going to move in and draw on the side of the body. Let's step in on the left side, come down, and then bend that out. And do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to tuck the bottom of the arm back in toward the side of the body. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the curve of the body, starting back over on the left, come down, and then bend that up. Now I'm going to wrap the side of the body coming back in towards that fold. So round up the left side and just pull that in. Let's add a fold underneath the mouth, come down and then up. Now we're going to surround the mouth with candy. We're going to start on the top left, start with a circle. Now we're going to repeat this all the way around the mouth, just varying the size of these circles. Add a few smaller ones. Go across the chin and up towards the right. And we'll just add a few more. Let's add a lollipop on the bottom left. So start with that circle. And then on the bottom right, draw two lines coming down. And we'll close off the end. Let's add a rectangle on the right side. And now we're going to add some drips inside the body. And down, and then up. And then we're just going to vary the size, adding some larger ones, some smaller ones going up, And once we complete our drawing, we'll sign our artwork and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw SCP-999. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe. You can also check out our other channels because we're posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.